SUMA is developing an energy self-sufficient infrastructure at its digital factory site in Fürstenwalde, Germany. This system combines photovoltaic generation and battery storage to ensure fully autonomous energy supply for serial housing production. The objective is to operate a high-tech manufacturing facility for modular housing units, independent from the public power grid. This vision combines sustainability with industrial-scale productivity through smart energy solutions. The facility will include a 1.5 megawatt rooftop PV system, a 1.5 megawatt ground-mounted PV system with carports, a 5 megawatt-hour battery storage system, a medium-voltage transformer with grid connectivity, charging infrastructure for up to 250 electric vehicles. In single-shift operation, the factory consumes 750 kilowatts over 9 hours daily. Annual PV output is projected at 3.1 million kilowatt-hours, achieving over 65% self-sufficiency. Battery systems enable optimized use of low-tariff nighttime energy. The project is backed by public funding under the Hydrogen Storage Brandenburg 2024 program. It is fully ESG compliant and highly visible, making it a compelling opportunity for energy and infrastructure investors. For further details or investment inquiries, please contact Dieter Vetter, General Agent at SUMA. We look forward to exploring future-ready energy solutions with you.